I am L. Kishwant.
We are from Everest Mariappanada Higher Secondary School, Kovilpatti.
Our project is about zero accident mission. There are many train accidents due to the loss of signal speed breaks. The train accident causes the loss of life for many people and goods. Train accident causes loss of life and goods. So we do this project to prevent train accident. The aim of the project is zero accident mission. The project is most useful and very important for future. We are also know that in 2023 train accident occurred due to the loss of signal.
Let us see the components details. Train, relay module, battery, IR sensor, required bulb, required buzzer, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, required wires.
Let us see the connection. All positive wires connected to the A0 to A5 of Arduino. All negative wires are connected to the ground of the Arduino. All positive terminal are connected to the positive of battery. All negative terminal are connected to negative of battery. Ultrasonic sensor signal to the signal pin of Uno.
Let us see the working model. The supply is given. When the train came closer to the station, the buzzer and the LEDs were on. Due to the signal loss, if a train is resting on the platform, the IR sensor will stop this train. Working demo.
Let me see about the benefit of this project. Project help to prevent the loss of lives and to prevent to train accident and using to economic progress in our nation and rising the country's scientific rank in the world. It prevent train accident in unique way using IR sensor. In soon future, I develop this project in more long range and more futures. Thank you.